Have you ever expected to witness a volcano erupting with your own eye? Or have you seen crater and molten lava flow? Today, we will take you to visit a very famous tourist destination in Hawaii. Don't miss this video, you will be amazed at its beauty. Explore Hawaii Volcano National Park. Volcano National Park is located on the southeast side of the island of Hawaii and was established in 1916. The main entrance to the park is from the Hawaiian Ring Road. The national park has diverse environment from sea level to the top of a large volcano. It includes a large part of Mauna on a Kira, including the east and south, as well as the Pumas Coast. Beginning in July 1986, a series of eruptions spilled large amounts of lava onto the surface. The island as a result has grown and continues to grow in size. Hawaii Volcano National Park is home to two active volcanoes, Kira and Mauna, of which Kira is the most active in the world, cover an area of 1,335 square kilometers on the big island of Hawaii. Besides the two volcanoes, the park also has rich natural landscape that left after the volcanic eruption. Hawaii Volcano National Park is filled with magical vistas from beer-flamed volcanic rock to streams of molten lava flowing into the ocean or weaving indoor rock to poisonous volcanic floral units. Everything will keep you captivated for hours, even desert to fully explore every corner of the park. Although the volcanic activity is incredibly intense, it's also predictable, so the experience is very safe as long as visitors follow the marshal. However, Volcano National Park has more than 240 kilometers of trail that lead to greater desert and rainforest. A must-see when exploring in Hawaii Volcano National Park is Volcano Park's hostel called Kira Iki. This 4.4-mile trail cuts through the Kira Iki crater, where a 1959 eruption caused hot lava to shoot up nearly 600 meters into the air. It also went through tropical forest before intersecting with the crater, where visitors can see a variety of strange shapes around. The more than 30 kilometer great road cut through much of the volcanic landscape and head straight out into the ocean. Along the way, you will get lost in a variety of Hawaii-only sites, including the Lumanu and Pouch Crater, the Mauna Ulu Lava Flow, the Mauna Ulu Lava Flow, the Puloa Petrolake, and the Kirkumo Overlooks. An 11-mile road called the Crater Rim, which connects Kila Caldera, takes visitors past some of the top attractions in the park, including Halemo Crater, Devastation Trail, Rager Museum, Thurston Lava Tube, and the Kila Visitor Center. Along the way are a number of scenic views of the volcano. From the eastern portion of Crater Rim Road, a tributary leads to the Thurston Lava Tube, which is 492 feet long and 20 feet high. The tube is formed by cooling lava to varying degrees when an eruption occurs. The outside of the lava cools rapidly, while the magma inside continues to pour through it, forming a hollow tunnel. In particular, there are points of chin rising together of a treadmill. Smoke billowing from a grave in the ground fills the sky at Grand Hikaipu, where the sulfur-covered rock mount of Volcano gives off a strange smell of ash. Despite experiencing eruptions, the volcano still attracts a large number of tourists. The Hawaiian Volcano Park remains crowded with visitors passionate about discovering the history and geology, one of the most powerful active volcanoes on the planet. Today's video comes to an end. There are many beautiful tourist destinations waiting for you ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to discover more interesting land. Goodbye and see you again.